Guys, I'm going to tell you how to get some free iPhone ringtones. Works with 3G, firmware update 2.0, works with all that. iTunes try to make you pay $1 for a ringtone and then another $1 to make the ringtone, and that's kind of retarded. So here's how to make your free ringtones. Open up your control panel, zoom in here. Click here, folder options right here, and click classic view up here. If you have Vista, it's easier. Open your folder options, get a screen like this. Click on view, go down here. Make sure this is checked. Do not show hidden files and folders. And make sure hide extensions for known file types is unchecked. Make sure that's unchecked right there. Okay. Close out your control panel. Open Internet Explorer. I like to use this website to get some free ringtones. Go to tonezr.com. Tonezer.com. It's a good place to get some free ringtones. They won't charge you anything. Just make sure you have internet on your regular phone. You can't actually download. Here, I'll show you here. Type in 89 Vision and it'll find some ringtones. There it is by Sublime. That's what I want. Alright, here's what I was talking about. If you have the new iPhone, I couldn't get it to work if download method is SMS link right there. It sends you to a web page, and I couldn't figure out how to download it, so I saved it to my PC right here, the very last one. You don't need to type in your phone number, just click send. Alright, it's ready to download, so click there and open it, iTunes. I'll allow it. Close out the Tonezer. Alright, there it is. Now, what we're going to do here is it is right here. What we're going to do is right click on it. Let's see if I can convert selection to AAC. Alright, made it. Alright, there's that old version. You can get rid of that. You just delete it. Keep file, doesn't matter. And here's this one right here. What we're gonna do, here's my folder I made for my iPhone ringtones on my desktop. Now what we're going to do is move this, come on, drag, there we go, put it on your desktop, there it is right here. What we're going to do is click on, or right click, rename, oh well, can't see it, shit, rename, you can see, here's 89 Vision. See how it says .m4a? You're gonna delete the A and add an R for ringtone. Click enter. It'll pop up that little window. Just click yes, because it will be usable for a ringtone on your iPhone. Alright, that little sign under there changed to ring since it's a ringtone now. Now go up here, and you deleted that one version, 89 Vision. This is the AAC version that you converted to, and that you dragged on the desktop. You can go ahead and delete that. And once again, doesn't matter, you can keep the file, doesn't matter. Now, you click right here on the file and just make it play in the iTunes. There it is, and as you can see, it's under imported straight to ringtones under library. Now I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Since that's a ringtone now, just drag it over to your iPhone, and that will sync up with your iPhone. Hopefully. What the hell? Oh yeah. Well, yeah. There it is right there in your ringtones. Let's see if I can get a shot on my iPhone. It's kind of bright. That's alright. Oh no, it's not. Well, it's kind of crappy quality, but what you're gonna do is go to your settings. Well, we can kind of get something going on here. Focus. Click sounds. I'm sure everybody knows how to go here. Ringtones. There it is. When we download it right there. I already have another version, but there's that one. And that's all you gotta do. Oh, there's a dog barking. Okay. That's all you gotta do. Get free ringtones. Thanks for listening.